Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Sirsasana. Sirsasana is also referred as king of all yoga pose. Before you attempting this asana, make sure practice under the guidance of yoga teacher. One should have a good forearm strength and a focus. Before moving to the asana, let us see few contraindication of this pose. People who are suffering from high BP and heart related issues should not perform this asana. Headstand increase the pressure to the eyes and the ears. If you are suffering from any issues with your eyes and ears, should not practice this asana. Women should avoid during the time of menstruation and during the pregnancy time. Let us see how to perform this Sirsasana. If you are practicing the Sirsasana for the first time, make sure to practice with the help of the wall. If you are a lover of yoga, if you want to become a yoga teacher, or if you want to create your profession as a yoga teacher, then Hamsa Yoga is coming up with a new course called as Teacher Training Course. So where you become a certified yoga teacher, international certified yoga teacher. So if you want more information or more detail on this, please do contact us through our Gmail. Slowly come on to your knees, bend your elbows, lock your forearms by the side. Now slowly stretch your both arms in a triangle shape like this. Interlock all the fingers. Make sure do not wide your arms too much wide or too closer to your body. So this is the position of the hands. From this, slowly stretch your arms, interlock all the fingers. After this, try to place your crown of the head or top of the head to the mat. So this is the position of the head and the shoulders. If you're practicing the Sirsasana for the first time, try to practice in the corner of the wall like this. After practicing the few days in the corner of the wall, try to practice in the single wall like this. When you're practicing, make sure don't kick up the leg into the headstand and you are not moving too fast also. By day of practice, you can reduce the distance of the wall. If you feel little discomfort or if you feel little fear, you can use the supporter for the first few days and try to practice in the middle of the room. Benefits of Sirsasana: strengthens the arms, core and the legs, improves the brain function and focus, helps to increase the flow of the blood to the head and the scalp, therefore helps to reduce the hair fall. Make sure after performing the Sirsasana, try to practice the child pose. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Try to practice slowly, and to learn the headstand it takes little time. Hope you like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste.